Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video, we are going on a POV drive in my mini JCW F56. Now the difference between this POV and my last POV that I did in this is that we now don't have a resonator in this car. So it is louder and the pops and bangs are so much louder as well. And yeah, we're going to go on a POV drive so you can see what it's like to be behind the wheel of this thing when there is also no resonator and there's more volume, more noise. So yeah, without further ado, let's start the car and let's get on our way. Alright, so we are underway. The car is up to temperature, it's nice and warm, so I'm going to stick it into sport mode. Sport gearbox as well. Oh my god, I've put the rear seats down because it amplifies it even more. I've had the seats up for a while, I've just put them down and it makes a massive difference putting them down. Oh my god. Oh my god, I actually love this car. It is so quick. Let's open that window. I'm telling you now, anyone that has a JCW or a Cooper S, get the resonator taken out. Oh my days, boy does it make a difference. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to do a section for you guys right now where I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to let you listen to the car going through the gears around a twisty road. So yeah, I'm going to shut up and let you enjoy the noise of this thing. Those farts and the pops, everything about the noise this thing now makes. It was insane before, but now it's just next level. I mean, that is insane. Like, oh my days. That is ridiculous. This car belongs on a road like this. Honestly, it is so at home on a road like this. Twisty corners, narrow roads. This car is insane. I mean, that is literally gunshots. But yeah, on my days, I'm gonna chill out a bit, put it in green mode, and just turn all the pops and bangs off. And now it's a civilized machine again, all in automatic. And yeah, even like this, it's so nice to drive. The exhaust still, like, it's not droning at all, really. You know, it's not an annoying drone where you just want to get out the car after 5 minutes. You know, it's so civilized now, in green mode. But one thing that I'm 99% sure has had an effect on, and that is the fuel economy. Getting this resonator delete has definitely, I'm 99% sure, has affected the fuel economy, my MPG, because I noticed that I'm losing fuel a lot quicker. Now, it might be my driving, but I don't think it is, because I've gone on, like, I've tried to be economical sometimes just to see what figure I can get, and it's harder to get a higher MPG now the resonator is out. I think it definitely has had a small effect. This thing handles so well. Into a corner, on the brakes are so good. And the noise now, this car deserves a good noise. I'm actually going to go back up that road because it is so nice. Oh my god. Honestly, there was like a 3-day period where I didn't drive my car because I didn't need to. The weather wasn't that good. I jumped back into it. Honestly, them pops, I forgot, they made me jump. They were that loud. Like, I honestly forgot how loud they were, and they made me jump. The steering on this is so direct as well. The weight is such a nice weight. And one thing someone said in a review on one of these is that the weight of the steering doesn't change, but it does. Like, when I put it in green mode, it's definitely a lot, yeah, that is so much lighter than when I put it in sport mode. Yeah, 100 million %. That is so much heavier than in green mode. Because that was one thing that someone said on a review, that the driving mode doesn't change the weight of the steering, and I was a bit like, oh, it's a bit annoying. But unless there's like an optional extra or something, I don't know, but it does on this. Like, the steering is 100% lighter when you put it in green mode, and really nice and heavy. It's a nice weight. It's not too heavy, but it's a nice weight where it gives you confidence into a corner. So I'm going to now insert some clips of my other POV where we drove when the resonator was still in, so you guys can get a comparison of what the difference is from a driving perspective inside. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a little POV. You know, this car sounds so much better with the resonator taken out. Let me know what you guys prefer, with or without the resonator. Personally, I absolutely love it. And yeah, leave a like and subscribe while you're here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.